In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to embed an Instagram feed onto Elementor in just a few minutes with no coding needed. This is by using the Smashballoon Instagram Feed Pro plugin. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. To get started, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase Instagram Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Instagram Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. And here we are on my WordPress dashboard, and to install Instagram Feed Pro, on the left hand side, hover over plugins and click on add new plugin. Next, click upload plugin at the top and upload the zip file for Instagram Feed Pro. After that, click install now. And once installed, click activate plugin. And there we go, Instagram Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. Before we can create our Instagram feed, we'll first have to activate the license key for the plugin. On the left hand side, we'll now notice Instagram feed, hover over it and click on settings. And here, beside license key, we can paste the license key from your Smashballoon account, like so, and click activate. Now our license key has been activated and we can begin creating our Instagram feed. On the left hand side, once again under Instagram feed, click on all feeds. To start creating our Instagram feed, click add new at the top. For the first step, we'll have to select the feed type we want to create. With Instagram Feed Pro, you can create a feed of posts from any user timeline, a feed of posts from any public hashtag, or a feed of tag posts too. For this tutorial, let's continue with the user timeline option. It's already selected for us, so we can click next. And now it's step number 2, adding a source for our feed. This is where we can connect our Instagram account. Click add source, and on this screen, you can choose the option that best matches your Instagram account, whether it's a basic or a business account. To use all the features inside Instagram Feed Pro, we recommend having an Instagram business account, and this involves having an Instagram business account connected to a Facebook business page. For this demonstration, let's go with the business advanced option, and then click connect. And then it's asking us if we've connected our Facebook account to this plugin before. I'm going to click on no. Then I can click on connect with Facebook. This will take you to Facebook, and if you're already logged in, you can see your account name here. Next, what we have to do is click on edit access. And here you can find the Instagram page you want to connect with Smashballoon. In all areas where you can see your Instagram account, make sure it's toggled on the right hand side. After that, we can go back and click on continue. And finally, you'll get the security confirmation asking you to confirm this is your domain. You can click on yes, it's my domain. And you should now see your Instagram account right here inside Smashballoon. We can select it and add it as a source. And there we go, we can now see that Instagram account as a source option. So we can select it and click next. On this screen, we'll have to select the theme for the design of our Instagram feed. We have options like the default, modern, social wall, outline, and overlap. For this video, we're going to go with the default one, and it's already selected for us, so we can click next. And finally, for the last step of creating our Instagram feed, selecting a feed template. With Instagram Feed Pro, we have several options including the default, masonry cards, simple grid Excel, and more. Let's go with the card grid template so we can select it and click next. And just like that, we have a live preview of our brand new Instagram feed inside the plugin. You can see the latest Instagram post from the account we connected, which is Green Grove Eatery. The posts are displayed in a card grid, which is the template that we selected too. Each post features an image or video, a preview of the caption underneath, and the number of likes and comments too. Our Instagram feed is now ready to be embedded inside Elementor, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed. On the left hand side under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. Inside this menu, you can customize the layout of your Instagram feed. You can see that currently we have the grid layout selected, which displays your Instagram posts in rows and columns. Next is the carousel layout, which allows you to swipe through the posts inside your feed like this. Third is the masonry layout. This one displays your Instagram posts in rows and columns, but with the posts in their original sizes. Lastly, we have the highlight layout, which highlights your latest post in a larger thumbnail inside your feed. For this video, let's continue with the grid layout, and if you look below, you can also choose how many posts you want to display inside your feed initially. As you can see from the preview, we have 8 posts, but if you want to modify it, just type in the number of reviews you want to display. Let's go with 12, and instantly our Instagram feed is updated to display 12 posts instead of 8. And you can do this for desktop and mobile as well. I'm going to change it back to 8. Next, we can also choose how many columns we want to display inside the feed. Currently we have 4, but to edit this, just open this up, and you can select the number of columns you want to display. Let's go with 3, and our Instagram feed now has 3 columns instead of 4. Okay, let's change it back to 4, and once you're happy with the layout of your Instagram feed, click Save on the top right corner. And if you want to moderate and choose the exact content you want to display inside your Instagram Feed Pro has a lot of options to do that as well. Just go into the Settings tab and click on Filters and Moderation. Next, if we click on Moderate Your Feed and then enable it, this will enable moderation mode, where you can choose the exact posts you want to display inside your feed. There are 2 methods to use this with the Allow list and the Block list. With the Allow list, all your posts will be hidden by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to display like this. Alternatively, with the Block list, all your posts will be displayed by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to hide like this. And if you want to hide specific posts, you can also enter their post IDs manually down here. But for now, I'm going to disable moderation mode. Then if I go back into filters and moderation, there are additional filters you can apply to your feed over here. First, we can add words or hashtags as filters. In doing so, your Instagram feed will only hide posts containing those words or hashtags. This makes it really easy to display posts that contain a specific type of content, or filter out posts and hide them from your feed too. Next, at the bottom, you can also filter posts based on their post type. For example, if you only want to display Instagram Reels, you can hide the photos and feed videos. Just simply deselect them. Your Instagram feed will update to only display Instagram Reels, like so. I'm going to bring that back for now. And if you've added any filters, click Save on the top right corner. Alright, now that you know how to create and customize your Instagram feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside Elementor. To do that, just click Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to. Let's go with this one here, and click on Add. And here we are inside our Elementor page, so we can click on Edit with Elementor. And here we are inside Elementor, and if I scroll down, we can embed our Instagram feed right here. To embed it, we can search for shortcode block, and that's this one here, so we can drag it and place it on our page like this. Next, on the left-hand side, we can paste that shortcode that we just copied and click Apply. And there we go, we can see a quick preview of our Instagram feed inside Elementor. So now we can go click on Publish and check out what it looks like on the live website. Alright, now for the moment of truth. Let's check out what our Instagram feed looks like on the live website. I scroll down, and here it is. Here's our brand new Instagram feed that we just created and embedded inside Elementor. It looks fantastic, and it features the latest Instagram posts from our account, including photos and videos. At the top, we have a header which shows our profile picture, account name, number of posts, number of followers, and our Instagram bio underneath. If I want to take a closer look at a post, I can click on it, and that post will open up inside a lightbox like this, with the image or video on the left-hand side, and caption on the right-hand side. I'm going to close that, and if I scroll down, you'll also find a button that says Load More. If you click on it, that will load even more Instagram posts from your account directly on your Elementor webpage. And we also have a Follow on Instagram button at the bottom too. If site visitors click on that, that will take them directly to your Instagram account, making it really easy for them to go follow you on Instagram from your Elementor website. And there you have it. That's how we can create, customize, and embed an Instagram feed like this on your Elementor website. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, let me know in the comments below. And if you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.